cooking again. Because we're eating again. 10 o'clock. Got some fillets going down. Nothing fancy. Just the best. Thing's jumping at you because I left oil in it and I just reheated it. I do that every now and then. Put that oil in there already. Guess we should time this shit, act like we've done it before. Ah, fuckers shooting shit everywhere. I got Bruce Lee going on the TV. Fuck me. You don't know what's gonna go on around here. Todd and I have been having one. Part of your off-season pleasures right here. Whoops. Open up, Buttercup. There you go. So, this is meal 5. We're getting tenderloin filet, whatever you want to call it. 250 grams of that. With some rice. Nice and easy. Nothing too fancy. I don't even think I have any weird fruit or anything with this one. Yeah, just steak and rice. Not exciting, but fucking delicious. So, we're happy with that. You guys have seen this routine before, so I'm not going to overly hammer you on it, but for those of you who are new, since we know our channel is rapidly expanding with 11,000 people, I need you guys to tell your friends. You say you like this shit, but they don't tell anybody. And, you know, hurts my feelings. I never put too much seasoning on them. Seasoned these earlier. We'll give them a touch here. We'll give them a touch. Slide down. Make room for your homie. There you go. This stuff is shit. Schneiders. I throw even though it's Snyder's, but I think it should be Schneiders, so change it. Whoops. I went a little ballsy. A little far there, I'll be honest with you. More than I need. But that's okay. 3 minutes each side. I got the broiler on. Here's a fun fact. When you heat up your oven, broil on high first, then flip to bake. Temperature faster. You know that? There you go. I'm here to teach, you're here to learn. It's all gonna be gravy. Alright, so these are thinner, usually they're fat asses. So I'm gonna jump the gun actually, flip them early. I feel confident. Well, it's not Todd, you're gonna take a beating. Shit's all over the place. Yeah, he burnt himself. You guys didn't see, he tried to readjust his arms while I lit him on fire. Boom. Another 3. Even though I didn't do the full 3 the first time, that's alright. So yeah, I'm a little tired. Got a little behind the 8 ball today. Then we were gonna eat earlier and we had to film. Then the fights were on, we had to watch those. It's been stressful. My life is tough. Managing, eating food, phenomenal food in between fights and fucking difficult shit. So, yeah, that's that. What I like to do on the last flip, I get down to about the 1.5 minute mark. I like to heat up the sides a little bit. Usually these are thicker. These are thin ones. It is what it is. I bought a shit ton. You can see the freezer. You want to see the freezer? I went a little ape shit on the tenderloins. Pounds and pounds of them. They were on sale. And then I ate waffles, which is kind of cool too. More meat over here. A lot of good shit, man. I've done filet in a while. Whoa, whoa. What are you showing me?
Bottom shelf.
Oh yeah, there's more. We have to fill the freezer. Don't fuck around here. Alright, so. Now we go to the side. This is where I burn myself typically. Just the 2 fat guys are gonna get a little side loving. This side, fine. He's fine. I do like 20 seconds, right? Lay her down. This one's gonna need a little hold. All the dumb shit I spend money on, and these have been broken for like 6 months. And I refuse to buy new ones. I'm like, I have some. You guys ever do that way? Like you'll waste money on asinine bullshit, but then there's something you probably should actually get, and you don't. You guys do that too? I think most people do. Now watch this. Put it to 450. It's ready. 14 seconds, good to go. Ah, every kitchen needs some shitty towels. That's for stuff like this, where you would have like one of those grabbers. I also don't have one of those. I don't want to spend the money. Boom. Toss her in at 450. This would usually be at about 5-minute gig. Those are small. So we'll go 408. Those will be ready. While they're in there, turn that off. Grab the rice out of the fridge. I don't need to put this here. What am I doing? This is the shitty one. My bad. Don't follow. Alright. Another 200er. This. Gotta grab a. We've been cooking a ton. I hadn't had time to take them out. Don't judge me. On. Boom. We need a scooper. Excuse me, Todd. Scooper. I don't know what kind of bullshit Todd's watching over there, but it seems terrible. Oh, shit. A little wild. This is where I'm silly, like, I'm bringing it down to 200 as if I didn't earlier use sauce all over my damn noodles. Whatever. Keeping it tight. Oh shit, I just added a minute to that. Fuck. We gotta reduce a minute. Alright. This is gonna go here. I cooked on this earlier. That's why it's all gross. Now, we need 10 grams. This. Zero it out. 10 grams is about there. Jesus. That's why I get the big bucks, kids. Boom. Got me. What are we doing here? Making fried rice, bitches! Throw it in. Oh yeah, you hear that? Thing of beauty. Get that fried rice going. I remember we had to death a minute off of here, so we're almost out of time. A little soy action. Beautiful. I cooked in my mother's house and I left my seasonings. Real conundrum. Alright, I'll burn the shit out of the soy and call it a day. This is ready to rock. Let's get it out of there. Boom. Grab the shitty rag. Where did I put it? There it is. Oh yeah. Those bad boys are ready to rock. Stir it up. Good to go. off. Leave these. I'm gonna put them over here though, because I want them to rest. They're apparently tired. Just throw them in there. Fancy like that. So we add the hot shit. We'll leave them there for about 5 minutes. And we're gonna cut up 220 grams of that. Put it on top of that. Voila. I'll see you guys in 2 seconds to see what it looks like. All right, so now we gotta throw the steak in. And you know, guys, I understand this isn't that exciting because this is actually just what I'm eating, but a lot of you have asked what I'm eating, and so I said, fuck it, let's just show them what I'm eating right now. It's not exciting, it's not nearly as delicious as often, but it's good. Yes, there's an easier way, but I don't feel like dealing with scissors. Look at that fucking perfect cook though. Jesus. Bump. So the reason I cook extra at night is my first meal of the day, if you remember, has some tenderloin in it. So I gotta be ready. Oh shit, it's gonna be perfect. Jesus, remember what I said? Only 1 gram over. And there we go. There's the meal. Rice, steak, knock it down quick. It's delicious. We move on. That's meal 5. Last meal, easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. Quick mix, don't have to cook anything. See you guys in, well, soon, later, but.